how would you build a product out of that? What is it that
Yeah.
your customers are asking you for?
Yeah, our customers have been asking for how do I leverage the power of these foundational models without having to go through the phase of actually pre-training or data acquisition or the training,
Yeah.
spending tens of millions of dollars, let alone all this expertise to hire and build it. That's why we are very excited to actually announce Bedrock. Now with Bedrock, now customers don't have to go through all this process that we went through in building these ML models.
Okay.
They can actually access it through an API, and they can just customize it by using the fine-tuning mechanism and upload some of the code data and get a fine-tuned model that is only specific to them and their use case, and it won't be available for anybody else. All the output of these models generates a model that is only specific to customer and not accessible to anybody else, available in a VPC with private link and so forth. So that their data and IP is only available to them and nobody else. And this will be like a step change in being able to access, have access to this kind of transformational capability.
Yeah. So the chat programs that we've seen until now, and which the larger audience have become familiar with, that's not at all what foundational models are. It's just an example of what you can do with it, because that's a public interface.
Yeah.
But you could have a very unique one for your particular company itself, or for your particular application domain.
Exactly. So when you think about these foundational models, using these APIs, you can actually build like a customer service chatbot agent that actually takes in question and generates an answer, which is an easier way for even CS agents to be more efficient so that they don't spend time actually searching through all the knowledge base and thinking of and composing answers. It accelerates their ability to resolve a customer issue. Bedrock will actually come with a set of our first-party models called Titan, and it'll come with models of different sizes and both on the embedding side and actually on generator side, because there are use cases like search engine relevance or various others. You want an embedding model that takes a text input and helps you build personalization, search engine and whatnot. On the generator side, you can use it to actually build things like a chat application or customer service agent or various, or code recommendation as an example and whatnot too. So, and these are some examples. So we'll do both.
You mentioned there's different models that customers can pick from. Why are there different ones?
They are different ones because of different use cases. So imagine if you're trying to run a use case where it is interactive application like in Code Whisperer and whatnot. You want to actually, where I'm typing actually a natural language prompt and I want to actually get a response within a matter of seconds so that I don't wait for 10 seconds to get a response and so forth. So there are use cases like that where you want the model to be very efficient and fast. So you want an inference model that is actually optimized to be quantized faster and so forth.